One device for your life. The new BlackBerry Z10 smartphone, powered by BlackBerry 10, provides the simplest and most user-friendly way to balance your personal and work life on a single device. Work and personal use in one. Until now, if you wanted to carry just one phone, your personal use would be compromised by the security controls your company needs if they provide you access to work information. With BlackBerry Balance, you effectively have two phones in one. It keeps your personal and your work lives completely separate, so you can use your BlackBerry 10 smartphone as a business tool to access work-related messages, apps, and content, while fully preserving your personal use and privacy. Setting things up is easily handled by your company when they connect you to work systems. Built into BlackBerry 10. There's no need for third-party apps for email, calendar, and contacts, and all it takes is a simple swipe to switch between your personal and workspace. Importantly, you can see work as well as personal content in a single view, even though the data is held completely separately. Secure work data, personal privacy preserved. Because everything is held separately, your company information is protected. Balance even protects you from accidentally sharing work information with personal contacts and on social networks. All this makes BlackBerry 10 the ideal choice when you're planning to bring your own phone to work. And if you decide to move on, all the work content can be wiped while being completely confident that all your personal information and apps are unaffected. BlackBerry 10 with BlackBerry Balance. Having one device for your life. Only on the new BlackBerry Z10, powered by BlackBerry 10. Keep moving.